Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete old comments on Instagram. All you have to do is follow the steps that I'm going to show you, so make sure you watch the video until the end. So let's dive right in. To delete old comments on Instagram, first make sure that your Facebook app is already updated. So if it's not, go hop in your App Store, an iPhone, or Play Store when you're using an Android device. Now, once open, click your profile located at the bottom right of your screen. After that, click the three lines icon at the top right corner. Next, go to How to Use Instagram section and click the Your Activity button. Now click the comment at the Interaction section. In here, click the newest to oldest and change it to oldest to newest. You can now see your old comments. Go choose the comment that you want to delete. Long press that comment and click the delete button. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an old comment on Instagram. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.